I'm ready to roll a gutter ball if need be.
True or false?
True or false?
True or false?
Bourbon must be made in Kentucky to be called a bourbon.
False.
False.
Sam, that is false.
That is false.
That is 100% false.
Only Kentucky bourbon needs to be made in Kentucky.
It can be made in any of the 50 states of the United States.
And any of its territories as well.
I said that with the utmost confidence. And I'm just imagining big like X edited on.
True or false? The minimum age
Of Kentucky straight bourbon is
2 years old.
Sam, that is true. Sorry, that is actually false.
False. False. I think. Yes.
Straight bourbon, yes. Minimum 2 years of age.
That one is true. I did my research on the bus. True?
4 years? Pretty sure.
No idea. Couldn't tell you.
3 years whiskey in Australia. 4 years over there.
I'm gonna go confidently with true.
Haven't read a book in a while.
That is definitely a yes.
But the minimum age of the whiskey in Four Roses bourbon is 5 years old.
That is true.
I feel like it's a doozy because 4 roses, but I know that means something else.
I will say true.
Your mind games, you're playing tricks on me.
That's true.
Yeah, 5 years.
Well, yeah, it's anywhere between 5.5 to 6 years. It's good whiskey.
True or false? The Four Roses distillery was once known as the Old Prentice Distillery.
I'm gonna go true for that one.
That is also true.
Maybe.
True. Sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with my gut on this one, Sam. Show me $1 million.
That is true. It's an old American national heritage landmark dating back to the late 1800s.
True or false? The minimum percentage of corn in a mash bill.
For bourbon is 40%.
It's false. It's got to be at least 41.
Yeah, it's gonna be false. We're gonna go false. It's gonna be 50%, I think.
So that's false. Minimum percentage is 51.
That is false. Must be 51%.
Minimum mash bill, 51%. Four Roses actually have 2 different mash bills. One that has a high proportion of corn and less rye, and one with more rye and less corn.
True or false?
Straight bourbon must be aged.
In 2-year-old barrels. That is false. It's false.
That's false. Actually, garbage. That's not true.
That's false. It has to be freshly charred oak. Not American oak, any kind of oak. It's just everyone uses American oak.
That is unequivocally false. Fresh charred, baby. We don't mess around when it comes to bourbon. You got that? Cool.